Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm literally sitting in a parking lot right now. So I'm on my way to Richmond, Virginia, and if you guys didn't know this, if you're not like a OG person and you haven't seen my old videos, I actually used to live in Richmond, Virginia. And at the time I used to make videos like fashion videos where I would do fashion hauls or do like try on videos. But that was a little bit while ago, and my roommate there actually became one of my best friends. And so I finally get to see her again, reunited at last. And this time I'm coming to Richmond vegan for the first time. So I'm gonna check out all the vegan places and let you guys know how they are. So let's go. After a long drive, I would absolutely recommend stopping by Brewer's Cafe and refreshing with a coffee or a tea like I did. I sat down and did a little bit of research about where I wanted to go while I was in Richmond. My friend suggested to go to NuVegan, and so after seeing their menu, I was sold. I am with my long lost loves. My old roommate from 2 years ago. I would have to rate this place a 5 out of 10. It wasn't the most impressive place I've been to. It was more of a grab and go style, quick, easy vegan food to take on the go. So it's good for that. As far as a sit down restaurant or like nice quality, good experience, this might not be the place. Oh my gosh, my old job, but they put a different logo on it. That's so weird. So I'm here in Richmond with one of my best friends. She's holding the camera right now, and we're gonna go see a view of pretty much the whole city of Richmond. So let's go. The whole city. Oh wow. Look at all of Richmond. Oh wow. I know. It's my girly girl. So we were roommates 2 years ago in Richmond when I worked for an internship. And you can actually, I'll point to it in the distance. It's that little building. It was just like this corporation. I worked here for like a semester, and then I like finished out undergrad, graduated, yada yada. So I was here 2 years ago, and it feels so weird to be here. I used to like hang out by this river. This is called the James River, and I used to hang out on the rocks way out there all the time. So I would like walk down from work, go across like a footbridge out there, and then just like hang out in these rocks because it's super shallow. I have to film this because this is my like original spot. All you can eat sushi made to order. Like this is the original spot. Yeah. We used to have tummy aches here. Eat so much food. I can't even imagine how much I'm about to eat. I'm so hungry.
Oh my goodness. What can you eat?
Alright guys, we're on day 2 of Richmond. I've been staying with my girl. Today we're gonna go just like, I have my laptop because I'm technically still working. I like tell you guys that all the time because I work remotely. And we're gonna go to like this smoothie bowl place called the Pit and the Peel. And then after that we're gonna head to like we're basically gonna go eat and then go eat again. So it's called Ipanema, and I think I showed you guys, like I'll put in a clip of like their website and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then later tonight we're gonna go into an area of town called Carytown, and it's kind of like a small strip. Isn't it on Main Street?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And K Street. It's on K Street.
And it's just like all these little shops and stuff, and we're gonna go eat there for dinner. And there's like, on the way, I want to show them like the monuments that are on Monument.
Of course.
Cause that's classic. So let's go get a smoothie. Alright, so we just arrived at the pit. The pit and the peel?
Yes.
Okay. Get your loud car out of here.
Here we go.
Alright guys, we just arrived at the pit and the peel, and I actually don't know what I'm about to get because I have been kind of eating junky lately. So I don't know if I want to get something like savory with peanut butter, which is like my favorite, or if I should go and get like green smoothie or something and like give myself micronutrients that I need. So we'll see what I get. We're also gonna eat a little bit later, so I don't know if I want to just get a smoothie or get like a smoothie bowl. But basically this is a cute little juicery, and it's off of Main Street, and it's closer to downtown than it is to Carytown. What'd you find there, Erica?
I can suck them.
She keeps breaking
I
it.
know. I promise it's not my fault. We can play Guess Who.
We could play, yeah, we could play Guess Who. We got our smoothies. I ended up actually doing a green bowl because it comes with chia seeds on it, which is a great source of plant-based omega-3s. And then my girl got the beach bowl. I bet it's good.
Oh, it's delicious.
And so I think it's just like spinach in there. It's not super green, but it's still good. And I actually have a reusable spoon that I'm gonna use because it's in my backpack. You have to be sustainable. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. So me and Missy over here had to go home because it was so cold. Yeah, we were sitting in that little smoothie place and like, you know, drinking something cold, and then that already makes you cold, and then like the place itself was freezing, and it's not even warm enough outside for us to like go outside, get warmed up, and then come back in. So we ended up having to go home, which was fine because I had to work anyway. But now we're off again to the second place, to Ipanema, and I think it's gonna be some good food, so let's see. I know, we're both really hungry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Smells good.
It does smell good. What did you get?
I got the Reuben.
It looks really good.
You got barbecued jackfruit. Erica, what just happened to you?
A bird just pooped on my food.
She's in shock.
I was so hungry, and it was so good.
I told her that she should take a napkin and wipe it off, and I don't know what she's gonna do.
I don't know. I'm gonna tell.
Don't sit under trees, people. I thought it was raining. That's what I thought was happening, and she just like looks down. You gotta do something before the germs get everywhere.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna go and tell them that I need this stuff. I don't know what the policy is.
Okay, so what?
Okay. So I walked in there and I was like, okay, I don't know what their policy and stuff like this. I'm not trying to be complicated by any means. Like, so my food, a bird just pooped in my food. And he kind of like started laughing. I was like, I don't know what to do. And I was like, I'm going to ask for a napkin or... And so then he talked to the manager and he was like, oh no, we'll take care of it. And I was like, okay, so we just have a napkin, so we can just take it all away. And I'm like, okay, thank you so much.
Aww.
And he's like, I'll just get it for you. You can just wash your hands at the table. I mean, at the dinner bell.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Oh, they're so nice.
And I was like, we'll just make another one. I was like, okay, thank you. Look at the room.
Oh.
I can see it.
We just got a chocolate pie and it has a gluten-free crust, obviously, because it looks funny.
I know. It's crumbling.
And it's vegan and it looks really good. Oh, I need your taste test on camera.
Okay,
we need this.
I don't like chocolate, so I don't know.
She doesn't even like chocolate.
Okay, let's see. I'm tempted. I feel like it's gonna taste like a kind of scared.
Honest impression.
I know. It's kind of dry. So you can taste it's like a flour crust.
Let me, okay.
Yes, you do it.
Okay, my turn for the taste test here.
You're gonna see, it's not. See? You see the dryness?
It is.
I feel like I need some strawberries on top.
That better be water. It's okay. It's like really mild. It's not like overly chocolatey, and it's also not like pudding like you thought it would be.
Right, it's not pudding.
It's good.
It needs strawberries.
It's cool. It doesn't.
It needs fresh strawberries and it would be great.
Dig in.